Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. So it's been a while since I've used this beautiful candle holder mold. And I wanted to use it today with the mixology glitter that Dark Frog NZ sent me. It is from Let's Resin, and I do have a discount code and affiliation with them. All the links are in the description below. Meghan10 for 10% off. Don't forget the H in Meghan. It's very important. It's the Celtic spelling, and it is the correct way to spell the name Meghan. So, Meghan10, 10% off. Also helps out the channel. And what colors do I want? This blue opal is gorgeous. Let's see. Do I want a green with it? Would a green be pretty? I think I only want 2 colors in there. No. Okay, so we're gonna nix the green. Purple well, that already looks kind of purplish though. Okay, nope, I've picked my 2. So I'm going to use the blue opal, which looks like that. It's got a very purplish hue though, but it's very pretty. And then sky blue opal, which also has sort of a green hue to it. Not showing so much on the camera, but here to my eyes, it's very, very green. So I'm going to mix those up and put it in there. I'm gonna put a whole lot of this stuff in there so that way it doesn't all just sink to the bottom, you know? And then, yeah, we're going to pour the resin in. I was thinking about using black resin because I'm using it in my next video on Thursday, and then I would only have to do 1 mix, but, well, I mean, I'm only doing 1 mix anyway. Yeah, we'll go with clear. We'll go with clear, and then we'll mix in black for the next one. Don't worry about it. Seriously, don't worry about it. Anyway, so those are my colors. It's a super simple week, you guys. The snowman, or snow globe, last week just wore me out. It wore a girl out. So that's the plan for this week. The next video on Thursday is super fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. And I'm going to stop talking now. So let's go ahead and get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Clearly I had some extra resin, so I put it in one of these molds. You know, we should make a hydration game where every time that I use the same bonus unmolding mold, you have to drink an entire bottle of water. I like that one. This is gorgeous. Stunning. It's stunning. What do you guys think? I think it's stunning. I don't know what accent that is. Perhaps a little bit of British and Scottish mixed together. I do have one little bubble right here, so that's a little sad. But, holy cannoli, that's beautiful. Alright. Simple and easy. That's your bonus unmolding. Alright friends, you just saw the bonus unmolding, so you know that this is going to be stunning. Stunning. Alright. I might take this down and give it to my friend this weekend coming up. I think she would really like it. Excuse you, mold. There we go. Oh! Ugh! I can't. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Oh, my heart is breaking. It's so beautiful. Look at all the glittery goodness. Ugh. You know, I used to think I wasn't much of a glitter girl, but man, am I coming around to it. Whoo, doggy. Damn, she's pretty. Yep. Okay. I certainly love it. I don't know. That's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. I don't have anything else to say. It's absolute perfection in the highest degree. I'm so tired of getting losses, so I really needed a win, and I knew this was going to win, so that's why I did it. Although the last video was a win as well. Anyway, yeah, that's today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Yeah, I try a lot of different things, and sometimes I just feel like doing the usual things, and this is definitely a usual thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, that's all I have. So I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.